Most people hate turning on their computers first thing in the morning and seeing a huge pile of unread messages. It instantly makes you feel tired before you even start, and when your whole crew spends hours reading long notes back and forth, no real work gets finished. That is exactly why a tool called Fyxer was created, to give us our time back. It works right inside your inbox, organizing that cluttered pile of messages automatically. In this video, we are going to look closely at Fyxer to show you how it works and gets everyone back to their actual jobs. When you open your emails, the very first thing you are going to see is how easily Fyxer hooks right into the regular email accounts you use at work every single day. It has full setups made for both Gmail and Outlook, so you never have to leave the inbox you already know or waste time trying to learn a complicated new program. As soon as you turn it on, Fyxer goes to work reading through every incoming email to figure out which ones actually matter to you. It puts a bright tag on important emails that need a quick answer, spots the discussions where people are waiting for you to reply. After that, you'll see your emails organized and categorized by priority.
Plus, you can easily link your work calendar to the whole system, which means your meeting and schedule are all aligned.
Once you're past that quick setup, the way this tool actually handles your incoming mail is a massive step up from dealing with old-school folders. The AI takes care of the grunt work by categorizing all incoming messages into labels, so the obvious noise stays out of your way. But when you get into the advanced sorting features, that is where things get incredibly useful for a busy professional. The system is very specialized in the way it analyzes emails to decide what's important. It learns from the context, which enables accurate drafts. Now, the next big problem is answering the huge pile of emails that come in every single day, and that is where the smart drafting tool completely changes the game. For emails that need a response, general drafts, the AI reads the incoming message and generates contextually accurate, natural-sounding responses that match the exact tone you want to project. It's really important because the email draft it prepares isn't generic. Fyxer learns your tone of voice and then writes the draft so they can actually sound like you. You can quickly look it over, change a few words, and hit send much faster than writing the whole message out by yourself from the very beginning. Fyxer also lets you attach important templates, company documents, or standard resources directly into these automated drafts based on the context of the conversation, making sure our replies are always fully equipped with the exact information the recipient needs. Fyxer does more than just handle emails by giving you a super smart built-in AI note taker and meeting helper. The note taker joins calls automatically and takes meeting notes as it happens, which means everyone on your team can pay attention to the actual conversation instead of rushing to write things down. You can also choose if you want to use it quietly in the background through the desktop app. As soon as the call ends, Fyxer quickly puts together a whole package of notes that includes simple summaries, perfect word-for-word transcripts, and clear lists of who needs to do what. The short summaries point out the main points your team made on the call, while the full transcript gives you an exact list where you can type in words to find out who said what. Best of all, it pulls out key actions given to different people on the team, so you leave every single call with a real checklist and an understanding of what to do next. Along with preserving the memory of those team discussions, the assistant handles the frustrating puzzle of trying to map out a meeting time without the usual email chain nightmare. Instead of sending messages back and forth for days just to find a free hour where everyone is actually available, the built-in scheduler takes care of the coordination for you behind the scenes. It uses your calendars to see exactly when you are free, which gives you the ability to pass along easy scheduling links to your clients or your coworkers. The second an attendee locks in a spot, Fyxer will automatically set up the video call link, drops the invite into everyone's inbox, and refreshes your schedule on the spot, completely removing a massive source of daily friction from your work weeks. If you want to see where this setup really shines, you can check out the Fyxer chat through the web app that lets you talk straight to the system. It is nothing like those old clunky search boxes you're used to, because this assistant genuinely pays attention to the full picture of your messages, daily schedule, and shared goals. It lets you just sit down and ask real questions about your work, whether you need a quick reminder about a message a client sent last Friday or want to dig up a lost attachment from a few weeks ago. The system handles things like drafting emails from a simple sentence sentence, bouncing ideas around for a slideshow, or helping you sort through a messy to-do list after lunch. It feels exactly like hiring an amazing assistant who sits at your desk, ready to find any detail or write up your notes. When you look at everything it does, Fyxer is a truly wonderful tool for any professionals and teams that need to save time and get rid of the stress of a crowded inbox. It brings neat organization to a messy screen and makes sure you spend your day on the big projects that actually help your company grow. If you're ready to make your daily job a whole lot easier, give Fyxer a try. Check out the description below to get started. Use saasinspection25 promo code to get an exciting discount. Thank you so much for watching this video. You can get a 1-week free trial and a 25% discount of their first month subscription. Tell us what you think about it by writing in the comment space down below. Go ahead and hit the like button, share this with your friends, and subscribe to the channel so you can see more helpful videos just like this one.